Hello guys, welcome to another video. Now I am going to represent my own university, Ruet, which stands for Rajshahi University of Engineering and Technology. Here I start my video from the main gate. Just in the right side of main gate there is a Shahid Miner. Different clubs from Ruet organize their meeting in this place at the time of arrival of junior students and some other time throughout the year. In the right corner, there is a cafeteria and it stays open in class time. Just in the upper side, there is a branch of Rupali Bank, which is mainly used for transaction with Ruet, off day, Friday and Saturday. Beside of cafeteria, there is an auditorium to play different kinds of programs. At first, I select right side to represent my university. Just in the back side of auditorium, a building stands for Computer Science and Engineering Department. The campus, which is on 52 acres, situated in the northern part of Bangladesh, is Ruet. The next building stands for Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. From here you can see that a road is the divider of RU and Ruet. These two universities situated just beside each other. At the end of this road there are one garage and one guest house. After that we will again start from main academic building, which is in front of main gate. Beside all of this, a huge construction runs throughout the campus. There are about 40 organizations and clubs in Ruet. Some of them are PSR, Ruet DC, Ruet FC, AutoCAD Club, Skader, Nirop, ISR, Team Crack Platoon, and others. To get more information, check my description. The academic building also holds a department that is IPE. The following road will connect with the previous road and the road which I will show you later. There is total 3 ponds inside the campus. First one is between GCE Building and Civil Faculty. Second one is behind Shahidul Islam Hall. And the third one is beside of Ladies Hall. After that, I am going to represent my department, that is Civil Engineering Department. The left side of the pond is the total area of Civil Faculty. This road represents the entrance to the Civil, BCM and URP building. Architecture building stands behind of civil engineering building. There is an old bus in front of this building. Most of the students of us use this bus for photography purposes. If I want to highlight the history within a short word, Ruet was founded in 1964 as Rajshahi Engineering College with a limited number of students. It was then changed to Bangladesh Institute of Technology in 1986 and was finally renamed as Rajshahi University of Engineering and Technology in 2003 when it gained a university status. Now there are 18 departments under 4 faculties. There is a norm of the father of our nation in front of Central Library. This is also a new developed gathering place. The area I have already covered now, that is academic area. Now come to the residential area of this campus. There are 6 student halls and 1 extension hall, some teachers quarter and some staff quarter. The first hall of the campus is J Hall, which is located beside of Northern Moor. Its capacity is about 5,000. The other boys' halls are Shahid Shahidul Islam Hall, Tinshed Hall, extension of Shahid Shahidul Islam Hall, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Hall, Shahid Lieutenant Selim Hall. There is a gymnasium in front of Shahid Abdul Hamid Hall. Off day of gymnasium is Friday. The physical education building holds gymnasium. At afternoon, the students from Ruet can collect the instrument like football, cricket bat or stamps to play on playground. Before close that, you have to return. It is Ruet Medical Center, and behind of this there is a central mosque. There are 4 openings throughout the campus to enter into the campus. One is main gate, second one is northern gate, third one is Aris gate, and last one is Bhodra gate. It is only one ladies hall named Deshratna Sheikh Hasina Hall of Ruet. The inner side of the campus there are a staff quarter, and for them an opening has been provided as Bhodra gate. So this is the end of this video. I will arrive with another new video in front of you. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Thank you.